Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about your favorite photograph in your home. You should say what is in the photo, how this picture was taken, and explain why do you like this photo.
One of my favorite photographs is a black and white picture of my parents on their wedding day. The photo was taken in a studio with a simple background and my parents standing next to each other. My father is wearing a suit and tie, and my mother is in a beautiful wedding dress. I like this photograph because it captures the love and happiness between my parents on their special day. The photographer did an excellent job of capturing their expressions and body language, which is evident from the way my father is holding my mother's hand and the way my mother is looking up at him. The photograph is simple yet elegant and has a timeless quality that makes it special. Additionally, this photograph is a reminder of my family's history and how my parents started their journey together. It is a cherished memory that brings warmth and joy to our home. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.